Hello, bunny. You want some? Oh, there you are. Hello, little deck bunny. You want some carrots? Yeah? Pretty little deck bunny, you want some carrots? We'll go get you some carrots. Check it out, man. The lighting sucks as always. See my snow blade to mount on the front end of my lawn tractor? Yeah, I can't wait for winter this year. I'm not lifting crap for snow this year. You know what, man? Sorry for the babble, but got something bothering me bad, man. It has nothing to do with Mike or the DX Commander, the DX Salamander. Got the air conditioners pulled out of the window today, which didn't make me too happy because my back's sore. I've been falling down a lot lately. Got my Lucy sticks out. Here, I'm going to show you why. Let's go for a walk. Because out here in the yard, now I doubt you can see it. Hell, I can't see it. Hang on then. Bear with me. I've got my beloved speaker wire. Well, actually, that's the rope connected to the end of it. Whatever. I got to get Lucy up on the roof before winter comes, man. Anyway, I've been bothered. And I've added a section to my spreadsheets for to calculate the length in feet and inches to the 1/8 of an inch for end feds, because when used with my multi-tap UNUNs, right? Because they're not half wavelength long wires. No, they're more like 85% of that. And man, people real YouTubers that work with their left hand, man, they're the real deal. Yeah, come on out of there. All right, now there's our antenna tower Zulu. Hang on, man. Check it out. I broke out my professional photography equipment. Because I got to show you something. Hang on. And just for the occasion, I broke out my headlamp. Oh no. Just like that, I blew up my channel. The poor souls that subscribe to this channel are gonna flee like fleas from a dog, a dying dog. Hang on. Okay. Time to walk the wire. My 6 foot high, 17 meter. And here we are at my Lucy stick. Terminated. Let's see. If I hold my head straight, that wire's at nose level, 5.5 feet high. And while you were paused, I did a few things. I stuck the wire through the window and slipped it over the nail on the inside. I grabbed my orange fiberglass Lucy stick and turned it back into our friend antenna tower Zulu. And I added a backstay rope to tension the wire a bit. Now, God, I keep blinding myself with these damned LED lights. They need to be banished from the world. They're terrible. They blind you. So my question at hand. That wire is 65 feet, 10 inches long. Okay? It's an exact half wavelength. Let me turn my light back on if I can. Why, these videos keep getting worse and worse. But it's an exact half wavelength long at 18.1 megahertz. Now, Steve Ellington has done more Balun and UNUN experimentation than any other ham I know. And but Steve Ellington isn't using a 9-tap multi-tap Yoon Yoon. Right? I want to see, man, is it going to use the 49-to-1 tap to attain resonance? I bet not. But we'll see. But we'll see, even though you can't see a damn thing. And neither can I. What the fuck? I'm going to kill myself, man. Surely I'm going to kill myself. I'll report back. I want to see what that 17-meter wire, how it behaves at an exact half wavelength with my multi-tap on. And since I have the 17-meter scab wire still running on the Michigan cacti, now I can compare two different 17-meter antennas, a vertical and an end-fed, admittedly at 5.5 feet high. 73.